If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like. New York is probably the most famous city in the world, where financial institutions, numerous historical and cultural sites, museums, stores, theaters, and much more are concentrated. It is a bustling and vibrant city of skyscrapers and freedom that many are familiar with from the abundance of movies and photos where the action unfolds on its streets. There are as many opportunities here as you can imagine. From Times Square to the darkest corner of the Bronx, it's a realm of extremes. From Brooklyn's Russian enclave of Brighton Beach to Queens branch of South America, communities from every country in the world. Today, according to the universal and unanimous opinion of Americans, New York is the center of the planet and the capital of the world. In the 20s of the XX century, New York City decisively seized the initiative and became the tallest city in the world. And the higher its spires rushed up, the more obvious it became. Here is the navel of the earth. However, it is more legitimate to leave the last nickname for Jerusalem. But all the other loud titles certainly belong to the city of the Big Apple. First of all, New York is the center of world finance, the center of the business world, and the center of world business. And then this city is the center of world culture, world art, world fashion, world medicine, and of course, New York is the center of world tourism. The architecture of New York speaks most expressively about the prosperity of the city and serves as a vivid example of how much art depends on business. None of the famous buildings in the history of mankind, with the exception, perhaps, of the ancient Egyptian pyramids and the Gothic cathedrals of Europe in the Middle Ages, can be compared to the giant skyscrapers and powerful bridges that amaze with the thoroughness of their designs, proportions, shapes, endless variety, and striking beauty. Skyscrapers turn New York into a city of panoramic views like no other city in the world. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like.